Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on a low-end PC. Many believe a dedicated graphics card is essential, but with the right approach, you can enjoy the game even on integrated graphics. We will cover key strategies, from optimizing your in-game settings to making crucial system-level adjustments. Our goal is to help you achieve a smooth and enjoyable experience, ensuring you can compete effectively without breaking the bank. First, let's dive into Valorant's in-game settings. You'll want to set all graphics quality options, such as material, texture, and detail quality, to their absolute lowest. Crucially, disable advanced visual effects like bloom, distortion, and shadows. Consider reducing your resolution scaling to around 80% for a noticeable frame rate boost. Finally, cap your frames per second to a stable number, perhaps 60, to prevent erratic performance. Next, we'll look at system-level tweaks that can significantly improve your game. Always keep your operating system and integrated graphics drivers up to date for the best compatibility and performance. Before launching Valorant, close all unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. Adjust your power settings to high performance to ensure your CPU and integrated graphics are working at their maximum potential. Also, disable full-screen optimizations for the game's executable file. Finally, consistent PC maintenance is vital for sustained performance. If you have a hard drive, defragment it regularly. For solid-state drives, ensure trim is enabled. Proper cooling prevents your components from overheating and slowing down. Regularly clean out temporary files and system caches to free up space and resources. While not strictly necessary, upgrading your RAM to at least 8 GB can provide a significant boost, especially for multitasking and overall system responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.